Hi. The question given is, knocking out a specific gene in a mouse can be done more quickly using CRISPR Cas9 gene editing than traditional transgenic method. Which of the following can be done more efficiently by using gene editing? Okay. So we are talking about CRISPR Cas9 gene editing. Okay. So first let's see what is gene editing. Okay, gene editing is the ability to change organisms' DNA. Okay, any organism's DNA. Okay, it allows this change is allowed by adding, removing, or altering the altering at a particular location.